Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very beautiful crochet square pattern for tops. I am using a 5mm steel crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains for our project. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. After making 10 chains, we would make a slip stitch at the first chain. Now we would start our first round in this ring of chain. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook like this. Go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 3 including first 3 chains. This is our third double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 4, then make double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and in this way we would make total of 28 double crochet stitches in this ring. So I have made 28 double crochet stitches here. Now we would make a slip stitch with white color yarn. So use this white color yarn, make a slip knot of it first and then make a slip stitch into the third chain with this white color yarn, and we would start our second round. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet in this round as well. Then make one more chain and make a double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 3. Make chain 1, make a double crochet into the third double crochet stitch, chain 1, double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch, chain 1 and double crochet in the next double crochet stitch. So without skipping any double crochet stitch from the previous round, make chain 1 and a double crochet in every stitch till the end of this round. Now cut this yellow yarn strand and weave these 2 yarn strands with the help of tapestry needle and complete these all stitches till the end. Now in the end make chain 1 and a slip stitch into the third chain here. Second round is completed. For the fourth one we have to work into the chain 1 space. So first of all make a slip stitch into the chain 1 space, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Make one more double crochet in this chain 1 space. Work into the next chain 1 space, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Go into the third chain 1 space here and make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now make chain 1 after these 3 set of double crochet stitches. Then go into the next chain 1 space, make 2 double crochet stitches like this. Now go into the next chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, go into the next one, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now we would make our corner chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You have to make odd number of chains here. You can make 11 as well. Now make 2 double crochet stitches into the next chain 1 space and our first corner is ready. Make 2 sets of double crochet stitches into the next chain 1 space and then into the next one make 2 double crochet stitches, and after these 3 sets of 2 double crochet stitches we will make chain 1 as we have made before. So make chain 1 and start making 2 double crochet stitches in next spaces. So make 2 double crochet stitches in each of next 3 chain 1 spaces. Now it's time to make next corner. Make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After making 9 chains, go into the next chain 1 space, make 2 double crochet stitches in it, and in the same process complete this round till the end. So I have made all stitches here and 9 chains. In the end we will make a slip stitch into the third chain, pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Our square pattern is ready. Now with the help of tapestry needle I would weave this yarn end at the back side of this square patch. Pull the needle through stitch and make a knot like this at the back side, and then we would weave this yarn end at the back side. In some stitches. Now cut the extra yarn strand and our square patch is ready. You can use this square patch to make different crochet projects, and this can be used in crochet tops as well. So if you like this video, give it big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.